Hello dear children, welcome back to Uma Talks. And yesterday I had published a video on science syllabus for this year students, those who are going to appear for board exams 21-22, and today I'm recording the video for English syllabus published by CBSE, published by the board. The deleted chapters are also there, what all you have to study, how the question paper will be, everything is there in this paper. And if you have not seen my science video, I'll put the link below in the description box and you can go and watch it that. Let us begin with English. So this is English syllabus 21-22 for CBSE board exams. The children, those who are going to appear for this, and for standard 10th. This is for standard 10th students. So as you all know that the board has divided the whole year in two terms, term 1 and term 2, and term 1 exams are going to be held in November, December, and more about in March, April we are going to have term 2. So term 2 anyhow I'm going to put the videos afterwards, because you don't need to be bothered about it. So first you should know about term 1. So this is term 1, and term 1 will have these sections. I'm going to talk about the weightage first. So these are the sections and this is the weightage. So the first section will be reading section, and as you know there will be passages. I'm going to discuss about all these sections in detail in this particular video. So reading will be of 10 marks, then second is writing and grammar together, and that will also be for 10 marks, Third is literature, both the books which we have, so that will be for 20 marks. So question answers related to literature, that will be for 20 marks, and total it comes to 40. Means theory when we talk about 10, 10, 20, 40, and internal assessment. As you all know, continuous assessment keeps taking place in CBSE during the schools, So listening and speaking skills normally in English, subject science it was practical records, and here it is this internal assessment. This also I'll let you know on what basis it will be, and this will be for 10 marks. So total comes to 50 marks. So term 1 is for 50 marks, and this is the weightage. This is the weightage. Let us start with reading. So the reading section, children, this will have two passages, and question will be based, MCQs, questions will be based on these two passages. So the first passage can be a discursive passage which will be comprising of 400 to 450 words, and the second one may be a case based or a factual passage for 300 and 350 words. So what you have to do is you have to read the passage and you have to answer the questions, whatever it is, MCQs only. The second part, which is writing skill, in writing skill, writing and grammar comes together. So writing skill, here you have formal letters, so formal letter based on a given situation. Just 3 situations are given, and only those 3 formal letters you have to prepare. I'll be helping you. So formal letters based on a given situation. The first one is letter to the editor. So that you should know the format and where to write the date, how to end, how to start, all that. It's very important. So letter to the editor is the first one. The second one is letter of complaint. Third is also letter of complaint. So letter of complaint, the second one is official. Official letter of complaint. And the third one, letter of complaint, is business. So this is what the board has mentioned. I will definitely in the coming times post videos related to these sort of letters. So all your doubts will be cleared. So letter, these 3 letters, formal letters on these 3 situations. Let us come to grammar, which are topics you have to cover in grammar now. Yeah, children, so we've already discussed reading and writing, and now we come to grammar. So in grammar, which are topics we have to cover, so that is what I've mentioned. So the first one is tenses, then we have modals, determiners. We also have to do reported speech, statements and commands, statements, commands and requests, questions, and subject verb concord. Okay, so these are the topics which must be covered in grammar. So grammar, whatever questions will be there. Actually writing and grammar which we have, that is for 10 marks. Okay, so 10 marks may maybe what I think is 5 marks they will have for writing and 5 marks for grammar. So 5 marks for grammar, we will see what all. It will not cover everything, but still these are the topics which board has suggested to do. Next we come to literature. Okay, literature from the first flight. First flight, which all chapters are there, which are not mentioned over here, we don't have to do. That is very clear. Okay, so this is the revised syllabus. So first flight, the first chapter is Letter to God. Okay, a letter to God, this has to be done. Second is Nelson Mandela. Third, 2 stories about flying. Fourth is From the Diary of Anne Frank. Okay, fifth, The 100 Dresses Part 1 and The 100 Dresses Part 2. So these are the 6 chapters which must be covered. Now we'll talk about the poem and the other textbook. Okay, so that Footprints Without Feet and the poetry is from first flight. That poem. So dear children, we are doing literature only. Okay, first flight ka chapters I told you. Okay, those 6 chapters. And yes, before I come to this, I would also like to tell you that children, in my earlier videos I have told you, please do subscribe to the channel so that you get, as the children are there, standard 10th, this year's batch. Okay, I will be posting whatever is required for you for your boards this year. Syllabus has come, now the question paper model will come, there will be varieties of question papers, everything will be there. So, and as I told you, the letters, the drama portions, everything will be there. So please do subscribe to the channel. And I don't know how much you understand, it's really very tough making the videos. Yes, and we all have started school, so I just wanted to share it with you. School jaake, wahan se aake, and then making the videos for you. It's tough, so do appreciate and subscribe, like, share and put your comments. Okay, write in words how you liked it, how beneficial it is to you, how it is going to benefit you, all that. Let's come back. So first flight ke chapters I've already told you, and now let us come to the poems. So the first poem, Dust of Snow. Second, Fire and Ice. Okay, Dust of Snow, Fire and Ice. Third is excuse me, A Tiger in the Zoo. And fourth, the Ball poem. Okay, all the poems are very easy. So these are the 4 poems which you have to do in term 1. Only these 4 poems from first flight. So 6 chapters, 4 poems. Okay, and then we come to the next text. 2 books are there, First Flight and Footprints Without Feet. Now Footprints Without Feet say we have to do 3 chapters. So pehla chapter, A Triumph of Surgery. Second one, The Thief's Story. And third is Footprints Without Feet. Okay, so only 3 chapters we have to do from Footprints Without Feet. So this is all about your theory. Now let us come to internal assessment, which is for 10 marks. यहाँ तो आपको पता है literature is of 20 marks, 10 marks reading and 10 marks writing and grammar. So 40 is over. Up till here we have finished 40. Now internal assessment जो 10 marks का है, that will comprise of the periodic tests, the unit tests which keep taking place in your schools, all the exams which takes place. Okay, so that periodic test, okay, uska 3 marks jayega. Multiple assessment, all the varieties of tests which keep taking place, the ways of assessments, usse 2 marks. Portfolio for 2 marks, and speaking and listening skills 3 marks. So total it comes to 10 marks. 3 plus 2 5 and 2 7 plus 3 10. So internal assessment. And finally this is what is the complete weightage for your term 1. Okay, and term 2 it will be coming, and you will only get it if you subscribe to the channel. So do subscribe it, and if you have not seen science, go down and check science. I am on the way of posting my practical video also, practical for science. So thank you all, thank you for watching, thank you.